Hi, and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. I will be talking about how to grow your business with advertising in my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can keep up with all the new content. First, let me give you a quick intro to advertising. So in advertising, basically we have three different concepts. So we have number one, we have paid media. Number two, we have earned media. And number three, we have owned media. So earned media, what does that mean? Well, that means like sharing, mentions, shares, reviews, reposts. Owned media, what does that mean? Owned media, we have, for example, your website, your mobile site, your blog site, and we also have your social media channels. And paid media, that's like PPC, pay-per-click, also paid search, Google ads, display ads, we have retargeting, we have paid influencers. The list really goes on. We have television, we have radio, we have print, we have a lot of different things when it comes to paid media. We also have social media ads. Now, for a comprehensive marketing strategy, you want to leverage all three, so that's very important. So you want to leverage earned media, owned media, and paid media. So when they all come together, they create that sweet spot, and that's what you need to focus on. You need to leverage all these different kind of concepts for your business to help your business grow, whatever it may be. So one question is, how can you drive earned media? And this is something that we can talk about for a long time. And we will be talking about this in other videos as well. But one way to drive earned media is through SEO. Okay, and that's search engine optimization. And I will be talking about that as well. I will cover that too in later videos, what exactly that is, and how you can improve your business with search engine optimization, aka SEO. Now, another way is branded content, for example. Now, how can you improve owned media? Well, owned media, also SEO, search engine optimization. You make the website mobile friendly. That's extremely important in today's day and age. A lot of traffic is coming from cell phones, from mobile devices, tablets as well. So it's very important to make your website quick, that it loads quickly, and to make it user friendly. This is also extremely important when it comes to Google ads, if you have a paid search campaign. And again, this is something that we can cover a little bit later in another video. Another way to improve owned media is through blogging. Blogging is a good way to also drive some traffic to your website. And there's actually some strategy that you can apply when it comes to Google ads. I love Google ads, to drive traffic to your blog pages. And you can do that with dynamic search ads. And this is something that we can also cover a little bit later in my YouTube channel. Another way to improve owned media is through thought leadership. And especially when it comes to LinkedIn, this is very important. I think it definitely makes sense if you are going to run LinkedIn paid media campaign that you have your thought leadership in order on LinkedIn. And this is something that we can talk about. I have some great tips and strategies how to build your thought leadership on LinkedIn for your business. Okay. There are three very important questions you need to answer to grow your advertising. And one question is, where are you now? What kind of foundation do you have, right? And then another question is, okay, so where do you want to be? Where do you want to be? I'm not talking about where you want to be in like 5 years, right? I'm talking about, well, right now, you're here, but you want to grow your business. And you want to grow your business maybe with paid advertising. Maybe you want to try to grow it organically with with like search engine optimization, with thought leadership, which takes a lot longer, but it's possible. So I'm talking about where you want to be in the immediate future, right? And how can you get there? Well, I kind of answered that already. So we have paid advertising, we got building thought leadership, building reviews, and also Google My Business is very important. Reputation management, and that's something that I can definitely cover as well in upcoming videos. So just stay tuned for that, okay? So thank you for growing your business. I'm excited for you guys. I am rooting for you guys, and stay tuned for more tactics and more strategy about getting your business off the ground. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.